Welcome to Team Oasis. My name's Ian Sanders here with Oasis Financial Services. Today, what I'm going to go through is just what you need to do in order to get started on your life or health or both insurance journey. Now, what we're going to do is just visit the website and walk you through step by step what you need to do in order to go through getting licensed, your study materials, why you need to take certain tests, and why you need to do things in a certain order. We'll just go ahead and take a jump here. So what we're looking at here is the website. We'll just click on getting started. All right, and now we're here. So first, what I want to do is go down to the bottom so that you can see what's here, because this is going to be really where you want to start. So after looking through the steps really quickly, you want to take a look at this video before deciding what study materials you actually want to use to get ready for your licensing exam. Now, the other thing that I want to preface all of this with is this is for Arizona. Now, I'm based out of Arizona, but a lot of the other states are going to have these exact same steps. All you would need to do is go on and do a quick Google search about which company provides the insurance exam. And if you need help with that, just please reach out to me or one of the other success coaches, and they'll be more than happy to walk you through that process. Now, the steps are simple, and these buttons follow the same order as the steps above. So you'll schedule your exam, get fingerprinted, apply for the license, and then get your E&O coverage. So going back up to the top, what you're going to want to do is schedule your exam, and this is going to be for the life, accident, and health exam. Now, it doesn't matter if you want to just sell life or you just want to sell health. You need to do both because sometimes these carriers will require both licenses. I've seen some where it's accident policies, but they're still under the health category, so you need your health license in order to sell them. I've also seen times where you need to be able to offer life insurance to fit the client's needs when you're selling health. You want to be able to do everything, and you don't want to have to take those two tests separately because you can do that, but it'll be 150 questions each exam. Each exam would have that rather than 150 questions all at once to get your life and health together. So that's the way you want to do it. Now, if you choose to go with the Excel Solutions study materials online, the code here is going to be Agent Asset. You put that in when you're checking out, and it gives you a 60% discount. I don't really have any particular reason why I like them. I just know that a lot of agents actually pass the exam when they use them. Now, you want to go ahead and do the practice exam 6 times, like it said in the video. You do that. I've never had anyone fail that. Now, once you get fingerprinted, the code here is INS 055 to initiate the process. Make sure that you do use that code. Then you'll apply for your license through Nipper, and that's where you'll start the process. And you'll also be able to get other licenses as well once you get your home license. So let's say that I'm here in Arizona, I get that license. Once I'm there, I can get North Carolina, Texas, California, all the different states that I want without having to take another exam, which is great. So you can do business in several different states without ever having to take that exam again. Once you've got your license, in order to get appointed with the carriers, you're going to need to get your E&O coverage. It's like business liability insurance. So in case something happens and someone comes after you, you have insurance in place to take care of that. You know, businesses, stores have it for slip and falls. Doctors have it for malpractice. It's something that you're going to need. So again, you'll go through these steps. They'll be a little bit different from state to state. If you do have any questions, feel free again to reach out to me. Feel free to reach out to your success coach. They'll be more than happy to help you with that. Have a great rest of your day.